statistics. According to Prophet, he's talking about the continents with more people in hell. And this is his list. According to him, number 1 is Europe, followed by Asia at number 2, Africa at number 3, North America number 4, South America number 5, Australia number 6, and Acacia number 7. Maybe you can shed more light.
Okay, when I entered heaven, when I entered hell, that's when these statistics were released. We measured the number of people. So we see the Europeans has dominated the hell, the number of people who entered the hell, and followed by Asia up to the Atlantia. So that's how we measured it. It was God who released this information. And at the bottom we see there is the percentage which says hell is almost full. It was like 90% full. So since creation, from during the time of Adam up to now where we are, it's now 90%. We are now having 10% left. So we measured all the people at the 90%. So we see Europe as the leading continent with more people in hell, and Africa is on number 3.
Europe, what have you got to say in as far as the words of Prophet are concerned? You are number 1 in as far as health statistics are concerned. If you want to be part of this discussion, kindly send your comments on our Facebook timeline. We'll definitely read them as they come through. And talking about your comments, here comes another one. Anzi kudenga kwenye nenya network papa. Dimama kanganisira network imim. Nenya zamuti taurira Prophet. And not ngapinto mjitu.
Yeah, we are not the one to blame. These are machines. These are other things. Sometimes they can misbehave. That's machines. That's machines. That's how machines they run. That's why there is repairing and maintenance. That's machines.
Okay, teach us do ministry work as we wait for more comments to come through. How is ministry work in Zimbabwe?
Ministry work. Yeah, the ministry work for us, everything is okay at the moment, and all churches, they are performing very well at the moment. We are seeing all churches are performing very well. We can't complain about that. The people are preaching gospel, especially in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is leading whenever we are talking of these spiritual things. Zimbabwe is now leading. That's why we see more prophets, more churches in Zimbabwe. Because spiritually, Zimbabwe is at number 1, is very high spiritually.
Or Zimbabwe spiritually is number 1.
Yeah, it's number 1. Nigeria follows number 2, number 3. It's America spiritually when we measured. We measured in April.
In April?
Yes, Zimbabwe is leading spiritually. That's why I declared it the Holy Land, the new Holy Land for New Testament.
Okay. To our viewers who are also watching us in Asia, because we also came up with the statistic for Asia. How is Asia performing?
The spiritually, we can say Africa is performing better than any continent spiritually, followed by North America, followed by Europe. When we mean performing of these spiritual